Hold up, the US just told the UN to back off on global AI rules, sparking a huge international debate. While everyone else is pushing for unified control, the US is straight up saying, nah, insisting each country should run its own AI game. But the UN just launched its own global dialogue on AI governance, with experts warning AI is humanity's biggest threat. So what the hell happens now? Can you believe this? Google Gemini just falsely linked a former FBI operative to non-existent criminal charges right at the top of search results. James Keane, cleared by the FBI in the 90s, is now suing Google for a whopping $250 million in defamation. This isn't just a glitch, it's a serious blow to his reputation, showing how AI can seriously mess with people's lives. If you've ever trusted Elon Musk's Grok AI with your secrets, get ready for a shock. Over 370,000 private chats just got dumped online for Google to find. Sensitive medical questions, business details, even passwords, all exposed because Grok's share feature was left wide open. This ain't just a glitch. It's a massive privacy breach, especially after Musk mocked OpenAI for similar screw-ups. If you're a software engineer, pay attention. Elon Musk's xAI just launched Macrohard, an AI company aiming to completely replace human coders. This purely AI firm will use specialized agents for coding, testing, management, and user interaction, making human oversight obsolete. With xAI's Grok and Colossus, Macrohard promises 70% cost cuts, 40% faster market entry, and error-free outputs. That's a real shakeup. Global AI spending is set to skyrocket to nearly $1.5 trillion by 2025. And this ain't no small change. This massive surge is all about AI services, beefed up infrastructure, and insane demand for hardware like GPUs and AI phones. Gartner predicts it'll blow past $2 trillion by 2026, proving this market ain't slowing down for nobody. Meta's throwing billions into humanoid robots. But here's the kicker. They're not even building the hardware. What's their real game plan? Instead, they're licensing their Llama AI to power other companies, bots, aiming to democratize robotics by 2030. CTO Andrew Bosworth says the real bottleneck isn't the robot's body, it's the brain, the software intelligence. This could redefine human-robot interaction. Most people don't get it. But AI's global game just got real. Anthropic's Claude is seeing nearly 80% of its usage outside times the US. To keep up, they're tripling their international workforce and expanding their applied AI team fivefold by 2025. This aggressive move, fueled by a $5 billion revenue run rate, is a direct challenge to big players like OpenAI, Microsoft, and Google. You think you're smart? Top AI bosses just revealed their own tech is already outsmarting them, and it's not waiting. OpenAI's Sam Altman predicts 2030 for AI to surpass human intelligence, but Elon Musk's xAI says it'll be next year. They're building huge data centers for this superintelligence, expecting AI to take 30 to 40% of tasks and make discoveries we can't. Forget everything you thought about Siri. Apple's got a secret weapon, Veritas, to finally make it a real AI contender by 2025. This internal app tests Siri's new generative AI, handling personal data and in-app actions, after delays and leadership shakeups. They're talking to Google and OpenAI, pushing for a visual redesign and more AI features across devices to catch up in the AI race. This new AI can see everything your phone camera sees, instantly telling you what's up with it. xAI's Grok Vision is now on iOS and Android, analyzing objects, text, and environments in real time. But hold up, over 370,000 private Grok conversations were just leaked online because of a share feature flaw. That's some messed up shit. Forget what you know about new tech launches, 'cause Meta just rolled out Vibes, their AI video feed, and the internet's already calling it AI Slop. This feature lets you create or remix AI videos, but users are confused, asking, who even wants this crap? It's wild, especially when YouTube's fighting low-quality AI and Meta itself preached authentic storytelling months ago. Talk about mixed signals. Google's latest Gemini 2.5 Flash-Lite update just slashed costs by 50% and boosted speed by 40%. These new versions aren't just faster and cheaper, they're smarter, with better instruction following, clearer explanations, and enhanced image understanding. Developers can now build more powerful, cost-effective AI applications, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with less hassle.